Welcome, friends. Today, we'll explore how fear can be a teacher, a guide to show us areas of growth, strength, and transformation. Let's begin today's practice by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Rest your hands in your lap, on your knees, or by your sides. And when you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Let's start with the breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs. Pause for a moment, then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Let's repeat this 2 more times, feeling your body soften and settle with each breath. As you breathe, remind yourself that fear is not your enemy. It is simply a messenger offering insight. Today, we will learn to listen and grow. Imagine standing in a quiet forest. The sunlight filters through the trees and the air feels calm and still. In the distance, you see a figure approaching. As they come closer, you realize this figure represents your fear. Notice how they appear to you. Are they large or small? Shadowy or clear? They might look intimidating at first, but as they approach, you sense a gentleness about them. They are not here to harm you. They are here to guide you. Whisper to yourself, I am safe. I am open to learning. As this figure stands before you, take a moment to ask, what are you here to teach me? Listen for the answer. It may come as words, as images, or simply a feeling. But be patient. There's no need to rush the answer. Perhaps your fear is showing you where you need to set boundaries, or take a risk, or simply let go of control. Whatever answer arises, accept it with kindness, saying silently, thank you for showing me this. I am ready to grow. Imagine the fear offering you a small gift, a symbol of the lesson it wants you to learn. What does this gift look like? Hold it in your hands, feeling its meaning and importance. Now picture the figure of fear transforming into a glowing light. This light represents the strength and the wisdom you've gained from facing it. Feel this light entering your body, filling your chest, your arms, your legs, and your mind. Let it energize and empower you. Whisper to yourself, fear helps me grow. I am stronger and wiser every day because of fear. As the light settles within you, imagine yourself walking through the forest, feeling confident and at peace. The path ahead is clear, and you carry the lessons of this journey with you. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this experience. You've embraced fear as a teacher, and you've gained valuable insight along the way. Now bring your attention back to your breath, feeling its steady rhythm. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back into your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Step into your day with courage and wisdom, knowing that fear is no longer your enemy, but now your guide. Fear will help you grow, and you are stronger and wiser every day because you face that fear. You are safe, and you are amazing.